Hi, and welcome to this video series on PlayPosit in Moodle. In this video, we will go over what PlayPosit is and how you can use it in your course. PlayPosit is a tool you can use to create interactive video content from YouTube, Panopto, or Vimeo. You can create an engaging learning experience through bulbs, or interactive videos created using PlayPosit. Bulbs can include questions, pauses to further explain video content, links to further reading, and so much more. PlayPosit gives you control over how learners move through each bulb. You can set your bulbs to allow learners to rewind or fast forward, jump content based on correctly answered questions, or skip content that isn't required. On the PlayPosit dashboard, you can review learner data and see how they are performing. Because PlayPosit works with Moodle Gradebook, the grades will automatically be imported into Moodle when the learners finish bulbs without open-ended questions. You can create playlists that contain multiple bulbs and other external content. To give learners a sense of accomplishment, a certificate can be automatically generated when playlists are completed. We will go through creating a PlayPosit account, making a PlayPosit bulb, connecting bulbs to Moodle, reviewing and editing PlayPosit bulb settings, and exploring the PlayPosit dashboard. Follow along in this series to learn more about PlayPosit in Moodle.